Do you do skincare?
Yes.
Yes. What about?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
I don't follow such skincare
So
routine.
like coconut oil, ghee, makhan, a little bit of that.
लगाना या खाना?
I use Neutrogena fish.
So you think retinol is the winner, the OG ingredient?
I would say
नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू गुड इंडिया। आज की वीडियो हम आपके लिए थोड़ी सी अलग लाए हैं। ये हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की कोशिश करी है। तो आज की वीडियो में हमने दिल्ली की लड़कियों से पूछा व्हाट इज़ योर स्किन केयर रूटीन, क्योंकि स्किन केयर बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो रहा है एंड लड़कियां नहीं लड़के भी अब स्किन केयर कर रहे हैं। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना देखा जाए कौन सा ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो जेन्युइनली इफेक्टिव है। आइए देखते हैं। Do you do skincare?
Yes.
Yes. What about?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. What's your go-to ingredient? What's your favorite ingredient?
hyaluronic acid.
Hyaluronic acid. And what about you?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
I tend to look for ceramides in my face moisturizer more often. Yeah. I think I've started following a skincare routine very recently. So I did not do it like for a very long time. So I think household stuff was my go-to earlier. So like coconut oil, ghee, makhan, a little bit of that.
लगाना या खाना?
Lagana. And definitely, water is one thing. If you lack in water intake, then your skin is not going to glow at all. So, that is also few lessons that I've learned later. But yes, now I'm following a set routine, and that is minimalist serums and
Yeah, I do.
How many steps are involved in?
Not as much because I'm quite of quick person. Easy steps like face wash, toner, serum, and icing, massaging, and then moisturizer, which hydrate your skin. Then sunscreen. Yeah, and I prefer gel-based sunscreen, not creamy one because it feels like sticky.
Usually I have like skincare in the morning and evening. There's like two different. So in the morning, usually I go for just toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. But night for the evening, usually I go for the same thing, but not sunscreen. And also in the serum, I choose retinol.
I don't follow such skincare routine. It's just normal moisturizer and a sunscreen. That's it.
Me personally, I don't really take like a famous brand. I usually go to a cosmetologist to get a non-comedogenic sunscreen.
Smart.
Ones that I just have like one recommendation, so I get it every time from the doctor. So that is the sunscreen I use.
That's nice because comedogenic can be carcinogenic also.
Yeah, exactly. So that is why. Also, my skin is very sensitive and it's very oily, especially in summer. So I feel like I like, especially in summers, I don't really use toners, which I do in winters. There's a Shehnaz date toner which I use in winters, but not like right now. Yeah, because it gets really oily. And this normal skincare routine, I wash my face like day and night when I'm coming like from outside.
And कौन सा serum has worked for you? Niacinamide, retinol, hyaluronic acid.
Actually, niacinamide is because I have freckles on my face, and so niacinamide is better to use also with vitamin C. So it will.
So do you mix niacinamide and vitamin C?
Yeah, you have get so many option in the market which have the both formulas in one serum, niacinamide and vitamin C. So it will work perfect if you have pigmentation and freckles on your skin.
But how many steps do you generally follow? Just like washing and applying the serum, or do you also have 3-4 steps?
Face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen.
Okay. And what about you?
yeah, exactly same. Yeah, speaking for the three of us when she says that we follow minimal routine,
And is there any brand that you trust with their ingredients?
Minimalist.
Minimalist. Minimalist is actually really nice.
I use Dot and Key
Dot and key. Okay.
minimalist.
Minimalist for you too. What's your go-to OG ingredient that you're using? Niacinamide, retinol, vitamin C,
It's hydration definitely, so it's hyaluronic.
hyaluronic acid. And what about you?
Well, thank you for the compliment, first of all.
You're welcome.
Then I think the best thing to clear your skin up will be cyclic acid from Minimalist. That works for me the best. Then moving on, the Rosehip serum. I started, that was my first.
Rosehip. Rose hip serum.
Yeah, rosehip. That was my first serum, and that suited me so well that I'm still using it. It's been years.
It's from Good Vibes. Yeah.
Rose hip serum.
Vibes.
Rosehip. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Good vibes, rosehip serum. Okay. And then after that, moisturizing with minimalist again because the best.
Is there any specific face wash like CeraVe or in?
No, not CeraVe. I did use Cetaphil for a while, but like it did not really suit my skin. I use Neutrogena, facial cleanser, and I also use Clean and Clear. That's just like basic stuff. Right.
Okay. What about you?
I just use the foaming face wash. I just got it from normal pharmacy store. I don't use any just fancy products because my skin is also very oily and I'm just too lazy to do any skincare. So
It takes a lot of effort. So you think retinol is the winner, the OG ingredient?
I would say yes, but also collagen. Yes, so I do use retinol once and then collagen the next.
But is there any serum that's giving you collagen? Because vitamin C, I know, niacinamide, but like collagen specific.
There's one in Etude. Yes, and it's really good. Yeah.
One with pomegranates, I think.
No, I don't think so. It's a long, like kind of like a bottle, and it's really good. I'm not sure if many people know about that. I'm not sure, but it's really good. I think everyone. Actually, I tried the sheet mask of that one.
Okay.
Yeah, then I tried the serum, and it's really good.
Then you recommend collagen serum by Etude.
I would definitely, but I would also recommend retinol. It's not just collagen. Yeah.
What are your go-to OG ingredients?
I think vitamin C and collagen.
Oh, vitamin C and collagen. You also use sunscreen?
Yeah, absolutely. That's like something a ritual. I don't step out without that.
And what's your go-to sunscreen brand?
I honestly don't go with a brand. I have a dermatologist, and it's dermatologist approved only that I'm using.
I was into skincare like a lot. Like in 2022, I started my skincare, but then in 2023, I think I had a very worst breakout. I had pimple all over my face. I used to look at the leaves. There was one leaf in my college which had like a lot of pimple on it. A leaf had pimples.
Leaf had pimples?
Yeah. It was looking like that because a leaf had bumps on all over its stem, like on stem as well. So when I looked at and I looked myself, I was like, oh my god, I look like this leaf, and I used to feel so so under like how do you say that, like very underconfident. Even
Conscious.
yeah. Even my sister and my brother used to say, "Are you not doing anything for your skin?" And like, no, I'm doing it. You don't know, just. So then I went to a dermatologist, and like very straightforward, I went to a dermatologist, and then he gave me a routine, and then I followed that very religiously. He gave me a gel. He told me not to use moisturizer, any cream moisturizer. Yeah, it was very shocking.
Gel-based moisturizer.
Yes, only gel based. He told me to skip sunscreen. Like use umbrella, caps, but don't put on any sunscreen, like cream sunscreen in general. You can try, spray wala, but don't use any cream. Yes, yeah.
And then it cleared out everything.
Yes.
Wow.
I can even show you a picture. I had like bumps all over my face, my forehead, my cheeks, even here, and it was very, very, very.
What was the most effective ingredient पूरे आपके journey में? Retinol? Let me guess, it's retinol.
I won't say that. It's niacinamide.
Oh, niacinamide.
Because my gel had niacinamide in it. Yeah, 5% niacinamide. So it.
So the niacinamide.
Yes.
तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. कृपया लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें. बाय बाय.